In this video, I'm going to show you a little how you can trade Forex in profit. And also I will show you my signals so you don't need to learn to trade yourself, so you can take the signals for free. By the way, you'll find link below the video for the signal service that you can find an application on Android that you can start with today. But let's get to it. So, as we can see here, I will now show you some trading opportunities, how basically I'm trading. And it's very easy. Here, for example, we just draw a trend line over here. Like I said, if you find it difficulty to find trend lines in these type of things, just take advantage of my signals. I can show you very fast how it looks like before we continue here. Let me see, we just go here and there. So here you can see, basically just follow the signals here. You can see we have 3 take profit is a meaning with that because we get higher profit with it. You just follow the rules that you find on the site. You find it below here. So you find it on here, you can see. Just follow the rules that says here, very easy to follow. If you have any problem with it, you can even have our robot that automatically do all these trades, and the robot managed to take more profit than you manage yourself because this robot do not send in the stop loss automatically, so he do it while he's trading, so he can even go, instead of that you go with a 0.01 lot size, he can take the full profit with one trade. So this robot is amazing. But like that, he can basically go all the way with all positions up to take profit 3 if it's possible. He don't automatically close and things, so he do things so you get the most profit. So you can have that robot for free, just follow what says here also. But this video is not about this. But if you like, this application is amazing. We are making good money. We are in good profit today. I think last I checked is like $20 profit today, so amazing. We have more than 70% win rate this week. We had a little bad day yesterday, but we made a small profit yesterday, making good profit today, made a good profit in Monday. So all over through a week we are printing money. So if you're into that, make sure you sign up. It's not sign up actually, it's just to install. It's in Google Play Store. You find a link below the video. Also, if you want to take advantage of the brokers we are using, for example, you can get up to 2 times deposit bonus by using my broker below. Also, for the Forex robot, we have another broker that is perfect for Forex robots. So, and of course, when you are from United States, we have broker for you there also, so no worries. And when you click these links, you automatically come to the broker that is best for your country. I made a geosystem where everything is perfect. You will love it. Also, I'm adding, so you get, you have an option later on that if you follow up here, that you can get signals for that pair directly, so you get notification on your cell phone. So everyone that is installing now, you get this, if you want to have notifications, make sure you turn it on, because later on I will turn on this type of options, so you can get signals for every single pair. Will be amazing. So you can get a notification, so you can take the trades when the signal come. So this is things I am fixing. So if you're interested about that, make sure you update the application if you have it from before. Okay, that's enough about the application. Let's look for the trading. So I will show you now how you can easily trade adding with TDI, RC diversion thing. Is an indicator, very good. I don't trade with it by itself, but it's a good way to get an idea. For example, you can see that we are very high. You just go back and see a little, like how high do you normally go, and you see we are now in a downwards trend, and then we never go so high normally, and you can see we are pretty darn high here, and it's because you see this a little upwards for a little short term, but in that, of course, it's always better to take a trade down here, right? Because also take a line down here. The reason you put a line down here is to find out where are we going to take the take profit. So if I was going to take a trade here, for example, now, I would try to get a trade up here. So what I will do, I will take a short position, for example, here. We see we are high. I will take a stop loss. probably something like this. We just look a little to left, and maybe not so much. Let's be a little more conservative. Let's take it there. So you see, the profit is not so high, but it's a trade you can do. What you rather do is when you come down here, is to take the trade another way. So that's even a better. But if you want to trade both ways, it's possible. But you're trading a little against the trend, it's not always a good idea. So if you can come down here, wait till you get a little spark like this below, and you see it go up again, that's the entry. Then on the next bar, that will be here, I would have taken a trade, right? So then I would target all the way up to the top, and the stop loss, I would just go a few bars back and put like this. See, the same you can do over here, right? Then you come down, you get down here, for example, you go a few bars back, you put the stop loss below, for example, this one there, and you target the top, that will be around here, and boom, you have a 274. So, but like I said, this is the way I trade. I like to trade this way. Sometimes it's a good idea to go to the 4 hour. What you do, you see what is the overall trend. The overall trend is actually a downwards trend, you see. We can mark it something like this. You see, I don't know what happened now. He did, he didn't show me all the bars. He did show me just this area there, I see now. My computer sometimes a little slow. Okay, so now here is actually, the trend is not definitive here now. But we can see that we had a strong, very strong support down here. You see, let me see if I can mark it with this thing here. So if you take this one, you see we have a very strong here. We got good reaction down there. So this says that I think actually I changed it by a pair by mistake. No, let me see. Messing up a little here now. Yeah, we did. We actually changed it pair. Does not matter. The same thing here. When you see in 30 minutes, here we can see we had a downward trend. To see. But you see, we broke out of it. We broke out of it here. We got more like a retest. We got a support down here, and this is a good uptrend. So here, what I would like to see is that we want to break this top here. So in this case here, I would have taken a line here. Okay. So what I would like to see here now, I would like us to break above. Then I want him to go down, retest, see that he managed to, maybe he go a little below, and when he go up and he get a new bar closing above in this area here, that for me will be an entry. Then I would go in with a trade like this. I would set a stop loss, comfortable stop loss, maybe below something like this, and target at 1.5 or something like this, around there. That will be a good trade for me. So if that comes, that's something I will do. This one will probably be high, that's why we can't trade exactly on this. He will then pause down a little, go, and we take it on the top upwards timing, and we probably will then make a new trend line start to go up like here with a form like this. So once again, that is how we trade. And you got also more like a confirmation here, got a bull sign, but don't trust too much. You see you got a bull sign here also, and basically nothing happened. But it's also, sometimes it's just good to get the confirmations, and you see here it fit perfectly. So I'm pretty sure that we'll have a trend change up here now. So this is how I trade Forex, and this is how the Forex robot that gives signals trade also. So if you did find this interesting, if you want me to show some specific trading styles, if you want me to show you indicators that you can trade with, comment below. I can show you a little how you can trade with all type of indicators. I will also give you a small idea what you can expect. If you follow the indicators, how you can make profit with every single indicator, because everything is about how you enter the market. It's also how you set your stop loss, because someone can take the same trade like you and make money, and you can be losing the same trade. That is because of two things: bad broker, or you don't know where to put this take profit and you don't know where to put the stop loss. That's why I made this signal service that you find with the link below, so you can just follow blindly and you can make money that way. I don't take responsibilities if you're taking some trades, because the robot that is sending signals will not win every single trade. So maybe you come into a losing streak and you lose money. I don't take responsibility. This is a free service, so it's completely up to you if you want to follow. What I can see is that the robot is making money. I'm working on it every single weekend. I'm looking on the trades, what I can do better, and I do tweaks so he take better trades the next week. So this is things I do. So if you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never lose a video just like this. Turn the bell notification on, of course, and like this video. And like I said, make some comments below. Tell me if you're following the signals, what you're doing, if you're interested about the Forex robot. A few have already started to use it. Till now they are loving it, and I'm sure you would also if you want to run the robot and just forget about it. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next video.